Hello guys, welcome to chsl GS, and today we are going to discuss about RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. So the question is, what is RBI? So simply, as we all know, it is Bankers Bank. Bankers Bank, or we can also call it the Central Bank of India, and it also acts as banks of central government. So let's begin with the history of RBI. So the roots of RBI can be found in 1926 through Hilton-Young Commission. Hilton-Young Commission. It was also known as Royal Commission of Indian Currency and Finance. So it was also known as Commission of Indian Currency and Finance. And this commission, Hilton-Young Commission, it was chaired by John Hilton. And on the recommendation of this commission, in 1933, there was a guy named George Shuster. George Shuster. This guy in 1933 framed a bill and introduced in the Legislative Assembly of Britain in London. And then after 1 year in 1934, the bill was passed, and it was passed by the name of RBI Act. RBI Act of 1934. So this made RBI a statutory body. Statutory body, because it is made by an action of the Parliament. So until 1st January 1949, remember this date. Until 1st January 1949, RBI was acting as a private financial institution. Financial institution. And on 1st January 1949, and the government of India owned the entire share of RBI, and this made RBI a government financial institution. And these all the things was happened under RBI Act, RBI Amendment Act 1948. And after 1 year in 1949, Banking Regulation Act was introduced. Regulation Act. Now, this act gave immense power to RBI. It has given the control of all the banks under the hands of RBI. So we can say that it made RBI the godfather of all the banks in India. Right? So let's go towards the management of RBI. So our next topic will be management of RBI. So RBI is managed by a central board of directors. Central board of directors, and it is a 21 membered body, and it divides into two parts. The one is official members and another one is non-official members. Non-official members. The official members consist of 5 persons, that is one governor and 4 deputy governors. And they both can be in their office at a tenure of 5 years or until they attain the age of 62 years. And for the non-official members, it is a 16-membered body which consists of 4 directors which are nominated by local bodies. Nominated by local bodies. Local bodies in the sense the 4 regional offices of RBI, that is in New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, and Mumbai. So these boards nominate the 4 directors, one from each regional office, and then it consists of 8 people from various fields, 8 expertise from different fields, and 2 government officials appointed by Government of India, and they all have a tenure of 4 years. So for official members it is 5 year, and for non-official members it is 4 year. Okay. The central board of directors, they should meet at least a minimum of 6 times under a financial year. RBI has a total of 31 regional offices within India, including these 4 sub-offices, namely New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, and Mumbai. So for RBI, a financial year starts from 1st of April and ends on 31st of March. And RBI submits, or you can say releases rather, its report during August, during the month of August every year. Okay. Now let's talk about the central board of RBI. So our next topic will be Central Board of RBI. So we have just studied the Central Board of RBI governs the management of Reserve Bank of India. So we can say that it is a apex body in the governance of structure of RBI. It governs all the important functions of RBI. And the composition of the Central Board of Reserve Bank of India, it is mentioned in section 8 clause 1 of RBI Act 1934. The Central Board of RBI is assisted by three committees. We will study it one by one. And the first one is Committee on Central Board. Committee on Central Board. It has a weekly meeting and they meet mostly on Wednesdays every week. And they discuss about the regulation of banking sectors, and monetary policy of India. Now the second one is Board of Financial Supervision. Board of Financial Supervision. The Board of Financial Supervision, it regulates the other commercial bodies. So it regulates other commercial bodies such as NBFCs, that is non-banking financial institutions, and it also regulates the commercial banks, etc. And the third and the last one will be Board of Payment and Settlement System. So Board of Payment and Settlement System. So as the name itself indicates, its main purpose is the regulation of payment and settlement systems in India. So it maintains public confidence in payment system. So it's simple. Why we keep our all the monies with bank? It's all because we all trust the banks and we know that our money is safe with banks. So these all are maintained by Board of Payment and Settlement System. And our next topic is subsidiaries of RBI. Subsidiaries of RBI. So in a total, RBI has 5 subsidiaries. The first one is DICGC, and it stands for Deposit Insurance Credit and Guarantee Corporation. Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. It insures the deposits up to a sum of 5 lakhs. It was established on 15th July 1978 with headquarters in Mumbai, and the second one is BRBNMPL, and it stands for Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited. So you must know in India there are 4 printing press in India, and they are at Mysore, Salbani, Devas and Nasik. So Mysore, Salbani, the third one is Devas, and the fourth one is in Nasik. These two, Mysore and Salbani, is governed by RBI, and the printing press of Devas and Nasik is under the influence of Government of India. And these two printing presses are governed by BRBNMPL. It was established on 3rd February 1995, and its headquarters is located at Bangalore. Next is RBIT. REBIT. It stands for Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited. Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited. It was established on 2016 with headquarters at Navi Mumbai. So it basically fulfills the IT and cybersecurity needs of RBI. The fourth one is IFTAS, which stands for Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services. It was established in 2015 in Mumbai to design, deploy, and support of IT related services to RBI as well as other financial institutions of the country. I mean, not only for RBI, it works for the other banks also. And the last one is, that is fifth one, RBIH, which stands for Reserve Bank Innovation Hub. and it is registered under Section 8 of Companies Act 2013. Its headquarters is located in Hyderabad, and its main function is to promote the innovation across the financial sectors in India. Across financial sectors. So these are the 5 fully owned subsidiaries of RBI. Our next and the last topic of the day is functions of RBI. So functions of RBI. So what does RBI do? RBI issues currency. So we can say that it is sole issuer of currencies in India. It manages the forex, manages the forex. It acts as the banker to government. It regulates and administers all the financial institutions within the territory of India. So it regulates and administers all financial institutions. It regulates the monetary policy. It controls the inflation rate. That is, for the current period, it is 4 plus minus 2. That is, the minimum inflation can be at 2%, and this is for minimum, and the maximum inflation can goes up to 6% for a healthy economy. So that's all for today. I hope you all will like this lecture, and thank you so much.